Bubba.
Hi, Bubba.
And we're gonna
You're
get that
Bubba?
pizza for lunch.
Are you? I can call you Bubba now?
But first we're gonna have this.
Okay. Say hi, Bubba.
Hi, Bubba. Say hi, Bubba.
Are you Bubba or Bubby?
Mama, look at that.
Hang on.
Bubba.
How old are you?
2.
2.
Yeah.
Are you
Look at
cute?
this octopus.
Hey, are you cute?
Yeah.
Are you handsome?
Yeah.
Do you have a girlfriend? No.
Yeah.
You do? What's her name?
Apple.
Huh?
Apple.
That's your girlfriend's name?
Apple.
Okay. Do you have a dog?
Yeah.
What's your dog's name?
It's in Terre Haute.
Baby.
Precious. Is she cute?
Yeah.
Can you say bye?
No.
They like ice cream.
You gotta say bye.
We gotta do Dairy Queen.